Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about Twilio and how Twilio SMS works. And in this video I am going to make sure this video will be for beginners. So I am going to make a complete tutorial on Twilio SMS, and I am going to see you how send SMS using Twilio. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be understand what is Twilio SMS. Twilio SMS is a cloud-based messaging service that lets developer and business send and receive text message through web and mobile application using Twilio apps. So here you need to be understand about key feature of Twilio SMS. Like Twilio work for send SMS globally to user in over 118 countries and receive SMS on virtually Twilio phone numbers. So you can see we already have a Twilio phone number where we can easily receive our mail. Third option, support two-way messaging conversations. So then next, offer delivery status tracking, message querying and error handling. Also we have features on Twilio like works with popular programming language like Python, Node.js, PHP, Java, etc. And next, on the last thing is integrate easily with app, CRMs, website and marketing platforms. So it makes your life so much easy. So for that reason we are going to making a tutorial on Twilio and how does it works. You can write code or use a non-code tool. They provided both options. Here you can see we already has a pre-built app, or we can make customize with Studio. So it's totally up to how you are going to work with Twilio. And then second will be how you use a Twilio phone number to send message. So Twilio already provided us a default phone number. Here you can see this is my Twilio phone number after creating an account on Twilio. And third will be Twilio handles the delivery to the user mobile carrier. So I hope you understand. And then for last one will be you can view the delivery status and log in Twilio consoles. So let's dive into the main topic, how you need to be create an account. So first of all, you need to be create account. Let's give you the example and let's talk about the logging process or creating account process. But before that I can say you the example of uses in cases like sending verification code. Like if you open a Facebook or YouTube account, that time you get a code like verification code. Twilio help you to create this kind of a option in your website or apps. Then appointment reminders, like if you book an appointment and you want to make it automation, you can take help from Twilio. Then have marketing campaigns, you can run your marketing campaigns with Twilio. Then order and delivery updates, so you can track it, you can update your order delivery updates easily. Then you can customer service messaging, so that makes your life so much easy if you are using Twilio properly. So let's talk about the logging. First of all, you need to be create on that place if you don't have any account yet in Twilio. First of all, if you have an account, then you need to be visit on login and properly log into your Twilio account. If not, then just visit that place, sign up, and they will take you to that place. Here you need to be create an account. Like this is simple process, I hope you can do it. But after continue, they will give you a mail over your Gmail account where we will find out the verification code. And then you can see we have these options already get verification code, and now we need to be paste here. Then we are allowed to visit this dashboard. Before that we have simple words. You can do it, read the question and just properly answer those questions, and they will redirect you to that dashboard. And now you can see this is our dashboard, this is our monitor option, this is our develop option, this is our phone number, messaging, overview. Then we have conversation options, then we have studio option, also we have marketplace option. It is on the beta version, so If you want to explore those, you can do it your own. You will able to know furthermore if I miss something in this video. So here you can see code samples, customer stores. So in messaging overview, we have this option. We can use language like JavaScript, PHP, Nate, Java, Python, Ruby, Swift, many more. Then if you go over here, phone number, you can see we already get an active phone numbers over our Twilio. This is our active phone number, and you can see this is the friendly name of our phone number. We can call someone by this number, we can message or SMS, we can say MMS, and this is the option. Here you can see we already have an existing number. So right now we need to be go on the next step. That step will be use messaging. Try it out this tool. So first of all, you need to be visit on messaging option. Whenever you will go that place, they will give you the option. So here you can see we need to be click on try it out option. Just click over here and you can see we have further option like send an SMS or send a WhatsApp message. So we can choose anything we want. Just go ahead and click over there, and now it will redirect you to next page where you can send an SMS over your friend. So you can see send a virtual phone, send to personal number. So we can send here with our this number. It is my by default number. I can easily send my SMS over that place. So let's fill out an option and let's see what we are going to get the result. So we want to messaging service. So here you can see this is our number which I got from Twilio. You can see the number. Let's open it and let's see it if the number is matching with our default number or not. Like you can see 8781. Let's go on the message option and let's click on SMS options. So you can see this number where we will send our message. So here I click on message service. Then here I am going to write a message that will be subscribe our channel. And after completing this, we can select a message service. We don't have any message service yet, so we're not allowed to select one, but it will not send to the personal number. It will be furthermore easy for us. Just click here and let's send SMS. So we need to select and message service SID. So let's create SID first of all. Let's go over there and let's find out overview options. Then we have options here like code samples, customer service, and furthermore, like let's click on here and that will again redirect us to that options. So here we need to be just click over here and now we can send our message. So let's click on subscribe our channel. So you can see in here, you can see the code is like changing when I'm typing over here. You can see the virtual phone also. You can type here, you can click over here, it will be sent it to my option. So let's click with personal phone number because the number is like with me, so it will be really okay to send a message over here. So let's send SMS. It will take a while and then I will get the result on my phone. I am not able to see it to you guys, but I already get the request was successful. We get a new resource and Twilio already sent it the message on my cell phone. So the process is really simple. Then the fourth option, next step will be monitor delivery. Go to messaging and log to view. You need to be go here messaging and let's click on setting and let's find out where is the messaging options. Just click over here and check one by one and click on service. Once you click over here, you can find out create messaging service. So here you can create a messaging service. Just click over here and click add sender. One by one you need to fulfill every process. So again, the process is really simple. You can do it your own, I hope so. Then dive into the main important topic, that will be how you can monitor delivery. So for that reason, just click over here and here you can see the logs option. Let's click on messaging, and now I hope we will find out the result. Yes, you can see we already get our result over here, and the status is delivered. So the process is really simple, and I try my best to make a complete tutorial on Twilio SMS, and this tutorial is really efficient for beginners. So if you find out this video is really helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and in the end I will give you some bonus tip like use Twilio Studio non-code visual flow builder, that is for automation message or creating chatbots. So that for reason you need to go on Twilio Studio. Here you will find out Twilio Studio. You can see this one, the Twilio Studio. Here you can see the overview options, and here you will get allowed to create a new flow. Here you can see we have the option, you can read this message over that place, then you can drag and drop, trigger incoming message or REST API, then send message block option. Like you are allowed to do what you want with your SMS. Then fourth option will be connect the block and set the SMS content. So it is allowed on Twilio with the studio option. Second, publish the flow. Last not on the list, after completing this task you are now able to make your thing automation. So the process is really simple. I hope this video will be helpful in future for you. If you don't understand any part in this video, just rewatch the video and you will find out something that you will be understand. I hope this video will help you. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.